That's a beat.
Hey yo, come on, yeah, 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 nigga.
Hey yo,
Yeah.
yeah. Blocc-boyz ENT. This right here, I'm going insane. Sweet 16 coming straight out the brain. Laying more tracks than they got for train. Spitting hot shit so I burst in the flames. 1,000 motherfuckers didn't even know my names. Tell you right now, I'm not the one for games. Got this rap shit going through my veins. Give me one reason so I fuck with you lanes. Life's a bitch when the pours it rains. Fly motherfuckers riding out the range. Bunch of bad bitches and they giving me strange. Babe fit a hat plus they rockin' the banks. Hustler, make thousands chase, I'm too high. You not, you deranged. Blocc-boyz, stay rockin' it for days. Roaches, none of spraying and rage. Sharp like a blade, fuck boy play. I'm a rap god to your knees and you praise. So raz, you hating the pace. Spit like a chop, switch you up 8 different ways. Crazy motherfucker was born in the craze. Snapping, no stopping the rage. Bucking like a pop in the gauge. Weak ass, turning the page. Hot shit, going out with the blaze. Game on lock, hoping it stays. LIL-J be rocking the stage. Weak in the lace like a shock in the taste. Motherfuckers lost like you walk in a maze. Stuck, you staring at days. Highlight what? Smoking the haze. Got more chips like I bought in the lace.
Yeah. Come on, nigga. Yeah.
Who are you? You ain't about shit. You'll listen to realest cause this flow be sick. Harder than the rapper that you be with. Deliver better than you could see spit. Blocc-boyz, you feel it all deep down in your stomach. Isn't no battle, already won it. Kid, I already brung this. Biggest here in your career plummets. Till sit back, feel we will get punished. Realest the rapper out, you keep it 100. Roll out of fat when you see it get blunted. Yeah, motherfucker, Blocc-boyz. What kind of name is fear no evil? Chill shit, put you on the ground and leave you. New rap is over, promise see you. You make it sound something you wanna be. Reek MCs, nobody feed you. Start part 2, another sequel. Killing shit, swear this don't be legal. Nobody touching this, not my equal. Last thing, give it to you, fucks about your people. Busting at you, I'm squeezing the evil. Never stop, no hesitate, time to teach you. Ready to get crushed, touched like a beetle.
Yeah. Come on, nigga. Yeah. Brrr, that.